India has fallen prey to the deadly coronavirus as the government took it casually on arrival. The government and the Prime Minister awaken only after the number of COVID positive cases reached 3,20,000. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is now instructing his cabinet to prepare for the pandemic when India has reached the 4th rank in terms of number of cases in the world. The inept handling by the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance government has worsened the situation with unplanned lockdown and late response. As always, the downtrodden sections of the society have had to bear the brunt of it. Doctors, nurses, health workers, and police personnel too have had to suffer a lot since the country was not prepared for this tragedy. When the government should have planned and prepared for the crisis, it kept lauding and boasting that the total number of casualties and infected persons in India were less compared to the rest of the world. Now, when India goes on to win the wrong race of highest number of cases, the Prime Minister held meeting with his ministers and directed them to make preparations. The warning signals were there in February. A note of caution from Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on February 12th to this effect was dismissed by the government as an attempt to create unnecessary panic. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met with ministers and officials on Saturday to review the country's response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Home Minister Amit Shah, Health Minister Harshvardhan, and the Principal Secretary to PM Modi, among others, attended the meeting. Prime Minister Modi took note of the recommendations of the empowered group on city and district-wise requirements of hospitals and isolation beds and asked Health Ministry officials to make emergency plans in consultation with the states and union territories. He asked the Health Ministry to ensure proper preparation as monsoon is approaching. The COVID-19 situation in Delhi was discussed and projections for 2 months were analysed. After Prime Minister's instructions, Amit Shah and Harshvardhan called an emergency meeting with Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, senior bureaucrats and municipal corporation leaders to make a comprehensive plan to fight COVID-19 in the national capital, where cases have been rising. In Delhi, the situation is particularly dire, with the Aam Aadmi Party government this week predicting the caseload will balloon 20-fold to more than 500,000 by end of July, which the healthcare system appears woefully ill-prepared for. Damages and miseries caused by the pandemic could have been much less had the government swung into action in time.